Hey guys, this is Kareem Tulba from Grow Cheap blog, www.grow.cheap. In this video today, I will be talking to you about which BlueHost shared hosting plan to choose for your website. So, I'm going to start from here, the article on my blog, which you can find the link for on the description below. Let's scroll down over here and click on that banner to go over to BlueHost. Clicking on that banner is going to give you an exclusive discount. So you're going to get your pricing starts at $3.95 per month, while if you're going to go to BlueHost directly, the advertised pricing is $7.99 per month. So it's always advisable to use a promo code or a promo link before going over to BlueHost. So yeah, let's go over to BlueHost. That's here. So yeah, this is what I was saying about $3.95 per month instead of $7.99, including free domain name registration, which is exactly what we need. Let's go ahead and click get started now to see the packages and see which package is the perfect fit for our website. So BlueHost actually is offering three main shared hosting packages plus an additional package which is called Go Pro. Starts at $13.95 per month instead of $23.99 per month. So I'm going to give you the complete difference or the complete comparison between the main three packages, and then we're going to talk exclusively about the GoPro package and see what's different inside. So this table over here is almost summarizing everything about the difference between all the packages, but if you're not having that technical knowledge, you may find it a little bit of hard. So I'm here simplifying the whole thing for you. Basic plus Prime. The basic starts at $3.95 per month, while the Plus and Prime, you can get it for $5.95 per month. $5.95, that's awesome. So the main difference between the three packages over here is that the number of websites that you are allowed to host on a single account. So for the basic package, you can just host one website or one domain, while the Plus and Prime, you can host unlimited domains or unlimited websites on the same package. And this is alone cost effective for why you need to choose the Plus package over the basic package. If you're having plans to launch additional websites in the future, then just go with the Plus package or the Prime package, because you're not going to go to pay $3.95 per month for each website. Instead, you're going to pay $5.95 per month for the whole bunch of websites you have. The website space. So this is another difference. The basic is allowing you to host up to 50 gigabytes of space, which is quite reasonable and quite great for one website or something. This is even more than what you may need. The Plus and Prime, they are giving you unmetered disk space or unlimited disk space. Basic package is offering unmetered bandwidth. The Plus and Prime as well is offering unmetered bandwidth. So the bandwidth over here is that this is the value that is determining how many visitors your website can handle per month. So basically, if you are under 600,000 page views per month, if your website is under 6,000 page views, 600,000 page views per month, then you are good to go with any of these packages. But if you are over that limit, 600,000 visitors per month, 600,000 page views per month or something, then you may consider getting a server. And for most of us, starting a website, getting started with a website, an online business or something like this, these packages are quite great. The performance, they are all of the same standard shared hosting packages. So yeah, they are all the same. Included domains, each of these packages offering one free domain name registration included for free. That is worth actually $15, around $15 per year. But with BlueHost packages over here, you're getting it completely for free. The parquet domains. So the basic allowing you to host 5 parquet domains. The Plus and Prime, they are unlimited. And the parquet domains is that if you're having other domains other than the main website domain name you're going to use, and you just don't want to use it right now, but you still own them, so you may need to park them on your current web hosting account. So the basic is allowing you to host 5, while the Plus and Prime, they are unlimited. Subdomains is like if my domain name is kareemtulba.com, so something.kareemtulba.com is called the subdomain. On the basic package, they are 25. On the Plus and Prime, they are unlimited. Email accounts, you can create 5 private email accounts, like it's me at Kareem, just 5 email accounts at yourdomain.com. Like for example, if my domain is kareemtulba.com, so me at kareemtulba.com is called an email account or a private or a custom email account. On the basic package, I can get 5 custom email accounts, while the Plus and Prime, I can get unlimited email accounts. For each email I'm getting over here, like for example, the basic is offering 5, so each inbox of these 5 email addresses I'm getting is of 100 megabyte per account, while the Plus and Prime, they are unlimited, which is great. So yeah, one last thing over here is the marketing offers. So the basic package actually is not offering any marketing offers, but the Plus and Prime, they are offering $200 worth of marketing offers. So what I mean over here by the marketing offers, basically BlueHost is offering these kind of marketing offers to give you credit to advertise your website on different platforms. Like with $200 worth of coupons, you can advertise your website on something like Facebook ads, the Google AdWords, Bing search, and Yahoo search, all these platforms. While if you're just getting started, you're certainly on a budget and you don't want to spend too much money in the beginning. So BlueHost is, kind of facilitating the whole process for you with giving these $200 worth of marketing offers. So yeah, this is great. That's why actually I see the Plus package is the most cost-effective one to go for, with unlimited domains and $200 included in marketing offers. This package is really great. So yeah, one more thing over here is the spam experts. And spam experts, actually, without going into technical terms and kind of stuff, spam experts is just an extra line of security to get for the spamming emails on your website. So it's kind of a defense line against these spamming emails and those kind of stuff. The Prime package, in addition to the spam experts, they are offering the domain privacy for free. So nobody is going to find your personal information while they are looking up the domain name on the domain names databases on the internet or something, so they can find your information. Instead, they are private. And the site backup is included with your website for the Prime package for free, while on the Plus and Basic, the automatic backups are costing additional fee. For me, I would just ignore the domain privacy at the beginning and the site backup and take manual backup for myself. And this is something you can do on the WordPress. But I would like to host unlimited domains on the same package. I would like to get $200 of marketing offer. That's why I see the Plus package is the most cost effective. The basic package is great if you're just starting a small website. If it's just one website or something, this is going to be great. But if you're having future plans to host more websites, then why paying more? Getting the Plus package and get a room for additional domain names in the future. So yeah, that's all. Furthermore, let's see about the Go Pro package over here. The pricing is starting at $13.95, but why I may need the Go Pro package? So yeah, the one difference between the Go Pro package and the other packages is that this package actually is being served from other highly performing servers. On these servers, they are hosting less websites, less accounts, and thus giving your website an ultimate performance. You should consider this package only if you are having a high traffic website or you're getting more visitors every day on your website. Then you can choose this package. Otherwise, these 3 packages are more than enough for your website. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to go with the Plus package because this is giving me everything I need for the future and for the right now to start with the marketing offers. So let's go ahead and click select to start getting my package over here. Okay, so yeah, we are here in the sign up process. So it's asking me to put the domain name. It's asking me basically if I have a domain name or I'm getting a new domain name actually. So I'm going to get a new domain name. For example, I want to get kareemtulba.com. Click next. Okay, so it's here asking me to create my account information, like putting in the first name, last name, business name, choosing the country, a street address, city, state. You can choose your state from here, the zip code, phone number and everything, extensions, email address. And this is important because actually you're going to get the web hosting details on this email address. So make sure it's accurate and this is your best email address. Okay, so when scrolling down over here, it's asking you for the package information. You can choose, first you need to choose the account plan. So yeah, they are offering four billing cycles, the 12-month price, the 24-month price, the 36 and 60-month price. So for me, I would go with the most cost-effective one. So I think I would go with the 12-month price for the beginning. But if you want to do more savings, because in 2 years plan they are giving you the price of $6.95 per month. On the 3 years plan they are giving you a special rate of $5.95 per month. For me, actually, I would go with 1 year over here, $7.95 per month. So the price is 95.40 cents for 12 months. The setup is free, domain privacy, everything. The domain I don't need the domain privacy at the beginning, so I'm going to cancel that. Yeah, turn it off. The search engine jumpstart, I don't need it at the beginning. Site lock security, I want to cancel that. The code guard basic, I want to cancel that as well. So all these cancellations put my price at 95.40 cents with savings up to $60 of savings. That's great actually, and this is a great rate to start with for my website. So I'm going to scroll down and put in my payment information, the credit card, the code and everything. And then if you want to pay with PayPal, you can just choose on more payment options over here. Click on that. It's giving you the two options, credit card or the PayPal, which you can check over here. And then you need to accept the terms of service over here and then click submit. That's it all about choosing the perfect BlueHost plan for your website. All you need to do is to click submit over here after accepting the terms of service over here, and then you're good to go with completing the payment and getting your website activated. The web hosting account is usually taking a few seconds, up to an hour or something, to be activated, and an email with all the login information is going to be sent to your email address. Make sure you're checking it out, putting your best email address to make sure you're receiving the details and everything. And that's it all. Thank you for watching the video, and just let me know in the comments below if you're having any questions about choosing the best BlueHost shared hosting plan. That was Kareem Tulba from GrowCheap, www.grow.cheap. Thank you again. All the links are on the description below. Make sure you're using my special BlueHost promo link to get the discount.